Yo, what's going on, everybody? Before we get this video started, I have to tell you guys about the cleaning product that I use just about every single day. Now, a lot of you guys are new to my channel, so you probably already know what this product is, but for my people who are new to this channel and is looking for something new, clean their sneakers, or even prevent their sneakers from being dirty, I got the perfect solution for you to use. Reshubinator is the only cleaning solution that I use, and really the only solution that I trust to get my shoes clean and to prevent them from being dirty. Now, in my hand right now, I have the Reshubinator Signature Cleaning Kit, and the reason why the Signature Cleaning Kit is one of my favorites is because if you are new to cleaning sneakers, or if you just need just about everything from the sneaker cleaning aspect, the Shoe Signature Cleaning Kit will probably be your best bet, because it's just a bundle of pretty much all the big products coming from Reshubinator. It's just a great bundle to have everything in one. My experience is grabbing one of these will definitely keep you, unless you outside playing soccer in your Jordans, or you just around here, you know what I'm saying, playing sideline pop football, then this should definitely hold you over for a long time. Now, this is not for my people who out here in the trenches, literally Cupid sliding in the middle of the mud. But even if you want to go that route, Reshubinator will take care of you. But however long it lasts depend on how bad you beating up your shoes. But this will hold you over, trust me. I have hundreds of shoes, and I pretty much keep like one of these on deck. Just about all you need, all the sneaker essentials come in this package. And if you guys want to head over to Reshubinator to check them out and see what else they have, even if you're not interested in the Signature Cleaning Kit, they do have so many other opportunities or so many other products over there for you guys to use. Now, the link in the description will directly take you over to Reshubinator. And if you guys happen to buy anything over at the website, all you have to do is tag me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will repost you just to show the love back, because you using that link, it actually helps me out. So if you appreciate me, if you appreciate the channel, and if you want to support, and you also need some great cleaning solution, then make sure you head over to Reshubinator, which is linked down below. Pick up something and let your boy Snipe know. Thank y'all, man. Now let's get into the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. I'm back again with another early video. Now, for my people who are new to the channel, I do get early videos kind of on the regular now. So if you want to see what new Air Jordans look like, even Yeezy sometimes, or whatever sneaker coming out, if you want to see what it look like before it drops, this is the channel you need to slide to. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you're not new, then you already know we do this for regularity. You know what I'm saying? You already know the vibes, boy. I'm feeling good because y'all know Air Jordan 3s are one of my favorite Air Jordan silhouettes in the Jordan silhouette history. Okay, my favorite Air Jordan of all time. If you know, comment down below before I show it, but you know I gotta show it. Wow, that Air Jordan Black Cement 3. Now, as y'all can see, I'm not at the crib right now. Shout out to my homie Flight. I'm using Flight Studio because I'm still in Tampa, Florida. But at the end of the day, he had my Black Cement 3s. I didn't bring my personal pair down, but these are absolutely amazing. When I think of Air Jordan, this is the shoe I think of. A lot of people think of the 11s, some people think of the 1s. I think Black Cement 3. It is an amazing sneaker. But with all that being said, I say let's get into it. Let's check out the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. Here we have our Air Jordan 3 box. Now, one thing I love about me at Air Jordan 3 is that elephant print. When it comes to the elephant print around the toe box of the sneaker, and even around the midsole, bro, the Air Jordan 3 has to be one of my favorites, bro. The elephant print is just an amazing piece of what do you want to call it, material on the shoe. They even use it for Air Maxes and so many others, like the 11 low IEs, those black cements. A lot of y'all hate those. I thought they were a pretty cool shoe. I wasn't able to get them, but I do love them. So, hey, look, I like the Black Cement 3s because of that elephant print. That's like that's the real reason. The reason why I bring that up is because the 3s have the elephant print along the outside of the box, just like the 3 have the elephant print along the outside of the shoe. So I always love that concept. Now, as we flip these back and open these up, I really want to talk to y'all about something that I heard recently, because here we have the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal, and a lot of people was giving these, I don't want to say that they was kind of like writing these off, but a lot of people wasn't happy these were coming out. The main people that wasn't happy these were coming out, it was all on Twitter. By the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, there's a link down below. Check me out on Twitter, man. It be lit over there. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, a lot of people were mad because these look exactly like the We the Best 3s. So they were calling these the poor man We the Best 3s. And I get it, okay? I just left and did a video at Vault 813, and they actually had the We the Best 3s in the glass shelf, and I was able to see the We the Best 3s, and it definitely has an exact match. The only difference obviously is on the back of this Air Jordan 3, you get the Jordan Air, and on the We the Best 3s, it actually says We the Best. Now, DJ Khaled has been working with Jordan Brand for a long time now. He's getting all types of exclusives. Even like Lil Wayne and Drake got their exclusives, so I get it. You know, whenever a shoe comes out that kind of favors a shoe that you have, and I think that should go for a lot of bread. I can't tell you what it's worth off the top of my head, but it's definitely worth some money. It's no different than the Oregon 5s coming out, and the people who own the Oregon 5 PE kind of salty about it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy Kaish. Kaish, you know you the homie, bro, but we know the story, bro. We know the story. Yeah, man, people just love having the original pair, or they love having that OG. So when the other one comes in a way, it's just like, well, damn, you know what I'm saying? Where do we go from here? Regardless, though, man, this sneaker reminds me of the actual Sport Blue 3s that dropped a few years ago. Now, the difference between these and the Sport Blue 3s is the Sport Blue didn't have like this all blue upper. I believe it was a black upper, and it just had some blue accents around the shoe, but it was still, it kind of had the same colorway blue as this one, but like I said, it's still, if you're gonna compare it to any shoe, you gotta compare it to the We the Best 3. Now, for my people who was out there in Chicago All-Star Weekend, or for my people who just waited for this release, was the red joints. Okay, so you got the varsity red cement 3s or the red cement 3s, and now you got the blue cement 3s. These are the exact same shoe, just flip-flop. And the reason why I wanted to bring this one up was because if you have this sneaker in your collection, then you can pretty much guess and get a feel for what the material feels like, and just about, you know, the leather quality and everything. It's because it's the exact same. I was going over this yesterday. I was checking out this Varsity Royal 3, and then I picked up this one, and then, you know, I just did like a little small test. I tested out, you know, the leather quality. I looked at the elephant print, even the cushioning right here on the uppers. It's the exact same. So if you own this shoe, then what you see is pretty much what you get. It's actually the same concept, all red on this upper, all blue on this upper. They even got the gray tongues with the primary colorway right there on the Jumpman. And look at the bottom, the traction pads are exactly the same, and the only difference is this one has the Nike Air. So shout out to Jordan Brand for giving us the Nike Air. If you do have the Chicago exclusive, then it will say Shot Air on the back instead of the Nike Air, which is a pretty dope concept due to All-Star Weekend being in Chicago the week of this release. Once again, this one just has that regular Jumpman Air. I know a lot of people love their Nike Airs on the back of their shoes, but I don't think it's that bad to be a deal breaker to you not even wanting to buy it just because of the back pull tab. So I think we all gonna be cool for that. Regardless, guys, let's get into an all over detail and breakdown of this Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal and see what they got going on, man. Starting here at your outer show, you get an Air Jordan 3 outer show, which is all gray. You see like they got the blue right here on the forefront of the shoe, and of course, like always on the Air Jordan 3, it's a white panel here with the Air Jordan kind of stamped in the middle of that Air Jordan outer show. Moving up to the midsole, we get an all white midsole. Who cares? Nobody cares, not even me. What we really care about is the black right here above the air bubble, but that black cement that's going around the entire shoe. And don't even get me about the black cement going around the toe box, bro. This is what we here for. You know what I'm saying? At least me. This is why I signed up. Marshawn Lynch, he said it at his press conference. Look, bro, you know why I'm here. All right, I'm only here so I don't get fined. I'm only making this video because I love me some elephant print, and it's going around the entire toe box in the back heel of the shoe. Really looks good with this blue. Honestly, if somebody would have told me years ago when the black cement came out that it was gonna make a dominant blue shoe with the same type of idea, I would have probably threw up in my mouth. I'm not gonna hold you past that, but look, it looks great. It came out looking great. Even the red pair looked great. It's not really too many ways you can mess up an Air Jordan 3. You know what I'm saying? It just is what it is. We say pair of Jordan 3 just to chase this cash. Gucci airbags just in case we crack. Hey, look, if Jay-Z said it, then it's set in stone, bro. If Jay-Z got the Air Jordan 3s to chase his cash, I mean, it's okay, guys. It's okay. Now moving up to the uppers, we get this all blue upper, and like I said, the material actually feels very good. It's no different than any other Jordan 3. I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all a story. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm not gonna cap to y'all and tell y'all that it feels like amazing. It's the same regular Air Jordan 3 material that you will feel on just about any other shoe, but that material is pretty good. So even though it's the same, it don't mean it's bad, because all Air Jordan 3 material is pretty good. So you don't have nothing to worry about in that department. Moving up to the tongue, of course you get this all gray tongue. Even this black straps, I believe, yep, they come with spare laces. They come with the white laces and the blue laces. I'm a simple dude, man. I never really been for the lace swap, so I would just keep mine black. To be honest, I wouldn't do nothing extra to these, but it is what it is. A lot of people calling these the Victory Lap 3s because they got the, you know, the quote-unquote Nipsey Blue on it. It's a fire release. All I want you guys to do is tell me, are you looking forward to the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal release? And if you are, good luck to you. I told y'all them Hyper Royal 14s were selling out, and these two will be selling out, man. So they will be kind of hard to get. And I want to tell y'all, if y'all going for these, then go for them tough, because everything has a resale at this point. Everything has resale value at this point. So I mean, good luck to everybody, and I hope you get your hands on your shoes. It is your boy Sniper Jones, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new, and if you're not new, then I appreciate you for coming through once again. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both of those will be linked down below. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.